Wow, 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 wow. Good morning. Good morning. How exciting was that? Well, let me tell you that this year we have been very busy building AI products and AI solutions that live where you work, that respond to how you work, and that solve the complex challenges that slow your work down. Our plan is very, very simple: to create AI that you will love to use at work. Now, let me ask you, wouldn't you love it if your work platform wasn't just where you manage operations? Nope. It's where you want the work to actually get done. And wouldn't you love it if we could spend our day moving the business forward instead of simply keeping it running? And my favorite, wouldn't you love it if any work solution that you imagine could be created immediately from a prompt? Yep, we would definitely love that. Because what all of this gives us is the ability to make an impact. It's why we come to work. The work that motivates us, the work we love, the work that impacts the bottom line and gives us an incredible sense of accomplishment. Well, the ability for us to be able to do that is here today. That's why, with Monday's AI, you're all going to love it. You're very, very welcome to day 2 of Elevate. I'm Lindsay, our VP of Enterprise Sales here at Monday.com. Today, I have the pleasure of showing you, with Monday's AI, how it's going to help you and your organization lead where others follow. Because that is what our AI is all about. It's not a gimmick. It's not something you tag on with Monday. It's all built in. And it's AI that you're absolutely going to love. So I'm going to take you on a short journey. 3 golden rules, 3 simple principles for maximum impact, 3 ways to win at work with AI. Today, you're going to see just 5 of our exciting AI innovations. Are we ready to get started? Let's go, let's go. Rule number 1 most certainly applies to everybody in this room. Where there's a workflow, AI will make it better. So just take a moment and think about all of the time-consuming, repetitive tasks that your team faces every single day. Compiling updates, building the same weekly report over and over, updating customer data, summarizing meeting notes, or just tracking project progress. These are not the tasks that help you move the business forward. These are the tasks that slow your business down. Monday's AI Blocks runs this work for you. So what's AI Blocks? There are ready-made AI actions that run in Monday boards. And this year, we've spent a lot of time giving them so many more capabilities. And I'm very excited to show you what those capabilities look like in real life. So I want you to meet Alex. Alex is a business operations manager. And before Monday's AI, Alex spent hours manually sifting through all of the company receipts, typing every vendor name, due date, and invoice number line by line. This is tedious work, time-consuming, and unfortunately a little bit frustrating. But with Monday's AI Blocks, this is what Alex's day-to-day now looks like. Data is captured straight from the receipts and files. Fields are populated automatically. Each expense categorized instantly, and exceptions or sensitive items are flagged in real time. So instead of hunting for problems, Alex can simply focus on fixing them. And that is the power of our AI blocks. No complex setup, just activate them and watch the AI work. And for Alex, and for all of us, the difference is pretty dramatic. It's many hours back every week. It's data that's reliable, consistent, and up to date. Reports that offer clarity and visibility in a single click. So, before we all take on our next task, assume AI can make it better. And that brings us to golden rule number 2. Don't treat AI like a tool, treat it as your partner. It's going to amplify your strengths, anticipate your needs, and allow you to focus. Yesterday, Daniel introduced you to Monday Sidekick, our AI agent built right inside of Monday. And this is an incredible breakthrough, because Sidekick doesn't just manage your work, it does the work for you. Are we ready to take a look? So I want you to meet Hannah. Hannah's a marketing manager with a major toy company, and she's gearing up for a pretty big campaign launch. Now, normally Hannah would spend hours writing out tasks, mapping out dependencies, and assigning her team. But with Monday Sidekick, these hours shrink to seconds. Seconds. That's less time pushing tasks and more time driving strategy. With Monday Sidekick, this is now what Hannah's day-to-day looks like. She clicks the star at the top of her board, and she asks Monday Sidekick to build her a launch plan. Seconds later, that plan is built. Tasks, dependencies, team assignments, all done for her in her board by her sidekick. But Hannah wants to go a little bit further. She wants to understand if there's any fresh ideas that her team has not tried before. So she starts to brainstorm with her sidekick. Now, she asks Sidekick to generate some pretty bold suggestions. Hannah reviews them, picks her favorite, and adds it straight into her board, ready to act on. But next, her team needs some creative assets. So instead of starting from scratch, Hannah asks Sidekick for some mock-ups. Sidekick also pulls in her brand guidelines and tone of voice, instantly generating some pretty amazing visuals all ready for review. But now, how do we get this out to the team? Hannah simply asks Sidekick to share the drafts with her team on Slack. Minutes later, the team have a complete launch plan, creative assets ready for review, along with clear next steps for every team member. From blank page to execution in record time. And we're only scratching the surface of what Sidekick is capable of. Sidekick can also enrich leads, run competitor research, or even find best practices. Whatever the task, you just ask, and the work gets done. Now, we're not stopping with Sidekick. Doubling down on treating AI as your partner, we're gearing up to release a very wide range of AI agents ready to execute on your behalf. Our agents, they have their own unique skills and area of expertise. They can partner with you, or they can work independently. Now, you caught a quick glimpse of our sales development agent in the video. Our sales development agent can call your customers, and there's more. Take our service agent, for example. She goes far beyond just managing your service operations. She can resolve tickets as they come in, and she provides direct support to your customers. Or, this is one of my favorites, the customer feedback agent, an agent that can call your customer, conduct interviews, understand, do you like our products? Do you like our services? They can gather feedback. They can analyze insights for you so that you can make the right decisions confidently. This really is the future of work. And each of us will be really empowered to maximize our impact working with a team of AI agents. So what's the so what with all of this? Engaging your teams to partner with AI is game-changing. Because when one person is empowered by AI, their day changes. But when an entire team is empowered by AI, your entire organization changes. And that's the real story here. Because it's not just about working at speed, it's about unlocking potential, breaking boundaries, and creating opportunities that we simply couldn't reach before. Now, I'm just going to tee you up. I'm very, very excited about what I'm about to show you. I want to ask you to think about what you would solve, create, or dare to do if there were no limits. Because with AI on Monday, if you can imagine it, you can definitely build it. And that's golden rule number 3. We're not stopping with our pre-made AI agents. We are giving you the power to build your own agents with our powerful capability agent builder. Let me show you. You simply describe the agent that you want, skills, style, the tools that you want them to integrate with. You then decide when it checks in or when it works on its own. And just like that, your agent comes to life, ready to work. And these agents, they are fully yours. You can refine them, you can evolve them as your business evolves. I just want to check, are you still with me? Oh, well, get ready. I'm going to give you a little bit of Monday magic. If you can dream it, you can definitely build it. This is our AI solutions builder. And here we go. We're going to bring it to life. So I want you to meet George. George is a human resources manager. And George, like every human resources manager, wants every employee, new hire to have an incredible experience when they join your company. But there's a challenge with that, because every new hire touches every single department. And building the right process, it's time-consuming, it needs a lot of headspace that George does not have. Well, now, George can just ask. With Monday Magic, this is what George's day-to-day now looks like. George simply types his request, asks for an employee onboarding solution to keep track of everything in one place. But he also wants to add a dashboard. And like magic, seconds later, Monday's AI native solution has created a complete onboarding solution ready to use. What's taken weeks is now taking minutes. So George can actually focus less on process and more on people. Honestly, how is that not a little bit of magic in your day? But George is not done. He wants to build something much bigger. Not just a workflow, but a fully blown app designed to his way of working. Say hello to Monday Vibe. For those of us that have a builder mindset, this is our vibe coding tool that turns simple prompts into fully functional work apps. It's pretty incredible. And if I can do it, you can all do it. So let's say you want to manage all of your company's equipment in one place, stock deliveries, SLAs. Well, you open Monday Vibe, you simply ask for an inventory app. You want to add in delivery status, auto-reorder alerts. Moments later, this custom app comes to life. And it's also mobile ready because we're always on the go. So no longer is development about taking days or buying another point solution, because with Monday Vibe, it's creating what you need when you need it. And I think that's pretty magic. I've also seen what a lot of our customers are building on the platform, and it's really incredible. All backed by enterprise-grade security that your business can trust. And I want to take a moment and talk about trust. This is really important. Because all of these AI capabilities, they run on the Monday platform. The data that you entrust to us is always encrypted, protected, and secure. We work with the most advanced models and actively implement bias mitigation, clear guardrails, and strong governance so you always remain in control. Because trust is not a feature. It's the foundation that makes AI truly work for you. If we can imagine it, we can really build it. And it's been so incredible to see so many teams everywhere turning ideas into reality fast. Because this is not about building for scale. This is about describing what you need in rapid time. So the next time someone says, we don't need a tool for that, or we need a tool for that, remember, with Monday's AI, don't wait. We want you to simply create. So I'm going to wrap up with the 3 golden rules that I brought you through today. Rule number 1, where there's a workflow, AI makes it better. Rule number 2, treat AI like your partner, and my favorite. Rule number 3, if you can imagine it, you can definitely build it. So I'm going to invite you to take out your phones. I want you to take a picture of the 5 incredible AI innovations that you witnessed today, because then I want you to leave here and go visit our booths, go build what you thought was not possible. And let me just recap on what they are. So let's start with the AI blocks. Takes care of the competitive work. Monday Sidekick and Monday Agents, they help you manage complex tasks end to end. And Agent Builder is letting you create your own agents and put them to work. Monday Magic, Monday Vibe, this all helps you, shapes Monday's products to fit your exact needs. So together, these 5 innovations have brought our 3 golden rules to life. And I'm going to leave you with this very final thought. We spend so much of our time at work, often in the tasks that drain us, but AI is really going to help us focus on the work that's rewarding, motivating, and pretty creative. It's a career-defining moment for all of us, and it's ours to lead. So thank you so much for listening this morning, and go and enjoy our products. Thank you.